Hello everyone, this is GM Hera and I am going to narrate a story named Rich Man and Poor Man. I have written the story by myself. Let's begin. Once there was a rich man named Sam and a poor one named Nick. Sam was a very successful businessman and lived in a huge mansion which had yellow borders and a large park outside it that had all the amenities one needed. The mansion was like a palace from inside. Nick was a driver who lived in a small village with houses having dark rooms and a brown hut on the top of it. The country where they lived organized a grand competition every year named the Mega Driving Contest. Most of the citizens took part in it because of the great money prize. It had two levels. There would be two finalists of the first level who would compete against each other in the second level. Nick and Sam also took part in this contest. Sam participated because he was always greedy for money, even though he was a millionaire. Then a miracle happened. The finalists of round two were coincidentally Sam and Nick. There was a gap of 3 months between the two rounds of the competition. Nick did all the preparation he could by dropping people to their destination as he was a driver, and Sam was overconfident and thought that the poor man had no chance of winning against him. Today was the finale. There was a tumultuous rush of sensations in both the participants. As the commentatorial start, Sam's car, which was as shiny as a diamond, took the lead almost till the end of the competition. There was a huge smile on his face. All of a sudden, Nick's car jumped high and covered all the distance. The grin or the glee that was there on Sam's face soon changed into anger. Nick's car ran so fast that it just vanished for a few seconds from people's eyes. And finally, he won it. At the prize distribution ceremony, Nick was awarded with a grand cash prize that was rupees 5 crore and a trophy. Sam had realized his mistake by now. The moral of the story is you should never underestimate anyone on the basis of how rich or poor he or she is. Also, we shall never lose hope. Thank you to all those who listened to my story carefully and with interest.